Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is another festive video, and as you can see they're peeking just there. So I'm going to show you the gift sets from Body Shop that they've released this year, which I'm so excited to show you guys. These are some really cheap gifts that you can give to obviously your friends, family, co-workers, anyone like that. I brought most of the gift sets that they released this year so far. I think there was like probably 2 that I didn't get. So I'm just going to show you what they are, what's inside them, and just go through the products. Just have fun and go through the products. I hope you guys like the background. Add a bit more light to the little shelf that I've got going on. I thought the little bulb ones were just not enough light that I wanted to kind of make it a little bit more like homey and comfort and just really nice. So I have added some more baubles. I have brought a autumn wreath today that will hopefully come next week, and I want to pop it just there, and that one lights up as well, so it's going to look really cozy and autumny and the best season ever, that I think anyway. I love autumn, it's my favourite season. It's just like the build up to Christmas. So things you want to know about these gift sets are: there's 3 new scents for Christmas time. Last year they had a vanilla, frosted berries, and I think it was frosted plum. I did do a video on those gift sets if you want to go and check over, just to give yourself a little idea of what was last year and what is this year. So I will put a card up here somewhere, go and check that out. So we have 3 new scents this year. The first one we have is vanilla marshmallow. So it's not just vanilla, it's vanilla marshmallow this year. We have berry Bon Bon. So again, it's kind of like the berry theme from last year, but it's called berry Bon Bon. And then my personal favourite is the Peppermint Candy Cane. If you had watched my advent calendar, is the Peppermint Candy Cane in the advent calendar that I have done previous to this video, which again I will put it up somewhere here. I think the first box we got was the Peppermint Candy Cane, and that was just my favourite. So I was really excited to obviously get the gift sets because I had ordered the Peppermint Candy Cane, and when I smelled it, amazing. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling now and show you the first gift set that I have got. So the first product I got is 3 of these kind of like houses, and they're in, each of them is in one of the scents. So the first one is called the Peppermint Candy Cane Cabin, which I think is a cute name, and inside you have 3 products. I just think the packaging is super cute. Have a little look at that. I'm just going to open it up now. So the first product you get is his body scrubber. I mentioned in my calendar that I didn't know what this is called. I still don't know what this is called. It's basically what you scrub your body with in the bath. So you get one of them. You get a nice green one. And again, you get a Peppermint Candy Cane shower gel. This was what was in the advent calendar that I just loved. It just smells absolutely amazing. It does literally just smell like a candy cane. You know, when you open up the candy cane from its wrapper and it's just that peppermint smell. Just exactly the same. And this bottle is 50 millilitres. So this is one thing that we haven't seen yet. We obviously saw the shower gel in the advent calendar. They also have a body butter. So this is the Peppermint Candy Cane Fragrance Softening Body Butter. It's a soft green. It doesn't look, because obviously the lights are making it white, but it is a soft green. This is a 50 millilitre body butter. I'm not sure if there's full sizes on their website or in store. That's the thing that I'll probably look out for the most, is if they have got them in full sizes, because I will be purchasing them. So that is the Peppermint Candy Cane Cabin. The next one, this is the Berry Bon Bon Cottage, and it's obviously the same packaging. It's just red, and it's got the bonbons on the front instead of the candy cane little sweets they've got on there. So I'm not actually going to open this one or the vanilla marshmallow up, as they are going to be presents for people, my friends, family, co-workers. And but you will see what the colour is inside, because I have got some other products, same scent, but they're in kind of like different gift sets, which I'll show you in a minute. But obviously I'm going to keep these in here to obviously give away as presents, but they're just so cute. And then this is the vanilla marshmallow, absolutely cute. It's got little marshmallows and vanilla sticks, and this is called the Vanilla Marshmallow Lodge. And again, I'm not going to open it, but they've got the same amount of products that are in the Peppermint Candy Cane. So you get a little scrubber here, and obviously the body butter and the shower gel. And all of these gift sets were £9 each. I'm going to leave Body Shop's link in the description box for you guys to go and check out their gift sets as well. So next gift sets are in these Festive Sacks, and this is obviously the peppermint one. It's got a load of peppermints in obviously circles, and then the sweet peppermints. It's just got the logo Body Shop on here, and it's like a drawstring bag, so it's got rope around the top and you just open it like that. So in this sack are 4 products. They're obviously peppermint scented. So inside around the rim is green, and obviously when all the products out it just becomes flat. I expect you could put this in the bathroom as a wash bag at Christmas time. Again, you just put stuff in and you just close it up, which is super handy. So the products in the sack are in tissue paper. So in the sack you get the peppermint body butter, the peppermint shower gel, you get the peppermint candy cane hand cream. I'm excited to see, because obviously when the weather changes your hands get dry, but I love the fact that it's in this scent as it's going to be more festive. I reckon it'd be more festive, so I'm really looking forward to use that. This is a 30ml bottle. And the last product you get in these gift sets is a Peppermint Candy Cane Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub. And again, it's just green and it's an exfoliator. And it just has that amazing smell. That's what you get in the gift sets. They were £18, which I think is a good price for like a small gift to someone. I think that's an amazing price for a small gift for someone. So really looking forward to using them. This is the Berry Bon Bon Festive Sack, and I am going to be gifting these to friends or family. I don't know who yet, but I think they won't mind me showing you guys what they look like. So again, it's just a string bag that you pull to open, and it's got the red inside for the Berry Bon Bon. So this is what the Berry Bon Bon looks like. That's the design. It's got loads of berries on and like hardboiled candies. And obviously it's just a red colour. It's a little bit sweeter than the frosted berries from last year. So it's a really nice scent. So you get the Berry Bon Bon, which is a 60ml shower gel. You get the Berry Bon Bon body butter, which is a 50ml body butter. As well, you get the Berry Bon Bon hand cream, which again, it smells amazing. So it's really useful in the autumn to winter time. And again, this is a 30ml bottle. And obviously you get the Berry Bon Bon Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub, and it smells amazing. They definitely know how to put a gift set together, because obviously winter time, your skin's all dry, you need exfoliator, you need a body butter afterwards, you need hand cream because your hands are all dry, and obviously the shower gel is just going to make you smell nice. So they definitely know how to put a gift set together. I just think the whole gift set is super cute. I would love to receive one of these at Christmas time. It's just the perfect gift, and you can reuse the bag. It's just perfect. So obviously they have one in the vanilla marshmallow. It's a obviously yellow bag. It's got little marshmallows on there. It's just super cute. It definitely keeps the theme up. And obviously it's going to be the same products inside, but I will show you what they look like. So it has the yellow around the bag. Again, you have the vanilla marshmallow body butter, and it's like a yellowy white. It's not just completely white. To me, it just smells like vanilla. I don't get the marshmallow in there, but that's completely fine. I don't like marshmallow smells, so I do just get the vanilla. But it smells nice. You get the hand cream as well, so again, really useful for winter time. You get the exfoliating body scrub. This is a dark yellow. Maybe I get a little bit of hint of the marshmallow, but it's not like really scented. It's more scented of vanilla. And then obviously you get the shower gel with it as well. So those are the festive sacks. I think they're an amazing gift for anyone. I am going to purchase more of them just because they are cute to give to anyone at Christmas time. Were £18. If I remember correctly, they're £18. So the next product we have is in this triangle. There is obviously all of the scents that we have, and they're just in the body butters. Again, they're all 50ml. I'm not actually going to get them out. We've seen what they look like. They're in the gift sets. But because I am going to be giving them, and I don't want to ruin the tape around the sides. But you do get 3 body butters. If I remember, I think it might have been £15. There was a star as well, and in each point of the star there was body butters, normal body butters like the rose, the British rose, the mango, you know, all that sort of body butters, which I didn't want. I wanted the new festive body butters. Obviously it's Christmas time, they want to smell Christmassy. That's why I got this one instead. Obviously you have the vanilla marshmallow, the peppermint candy canes, and then the berry bonbons at top. It's just very festive. They've got, if it was share, like houses and peppermint and marshmallows and snowman, and it's just really cute packaging. Is that a snowman? No, it looks more like a cake, a marshmallow cake, I don't know. It's the last product now, which is very sad because I love doing gift sets and showing you what I got. This one doesn't look very festive-y. It's the Forest Retreat, kind of like a lunch box or like a box, something like that. It's got the animals. There's the badger, and there's an owl and that cute bear that we saw on the advent calendar. They've kind of put some of the images onto here as well. I don't think in here is any of the Christmas scents that we've just looked at. I don't actually know why this is Christmas. It's just, it was in the Christmas section, so I got it. I think this was £19. I don't know, don't quote me on it, I don't know. On each side you have 2 products. On the first side you have a Fiji green tea shower gel. Fiji green tea smells very refreshing. It's a really nice smell actually. I had a set where it'd be like a room spray and I used it all up, but it's really, really nice, great smell. On the packaging it does say stuff next to the product, so I'm going to read that out. It's pronounced Fuji. I thought it said Fiji, but it says Fuji green tea, with hand-picked green tea leaves from the Mount Fuji region of Japan. Makes sense now. So that's that one. So next product is a body scrub, and this is Wild Argan Oil Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. So it's like the exfoliators from the other gift sets, but it's argan oil, which is good for your skin. Just nourishes it and smooths it and stuff like that. So it says argan with organic community trade argan oil from Morocco. Banana nourishing shampoo. I love the shampoo. I didn't do a August favourites, but if I did record it, it would have been, my favourite would have been the shampoo and conditioner. I've actually run out of the conditioner already. I have got a little bit of shampoo left, so I have got a little shampoo. But I think it'll be more of like a treat once in a while, as it is quite expensive for shampoo and conditioner. So this is a 60ml bottle. It says banana with organic community trade banana puree from Ecuador. The last product is this almond milk and honey body butter. We had a lot of the almond milk and honey in the advent calendar. I think we actually got a little one of these as well, so I might actually gift one away. I actually love to do a small little hamper of the things you've got duplicates of. Put it in a little basket, wrap it up, put ribbon around it, and then put some pine cones and some berries, and just, yeah, that would be really good. For this one it says almond milk and honey with organic almond milk from Spain and community trade honey from Ethiopia. So that's that little gift set. I believe this was £19. I'm not too sure. I just think it's really cute, especially with the animals on here as well, that it is on the advent calendar. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This will be the end. I really enjoyed showing you guys the gift sets that I got from the Body Shop. So if you guys did like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next time guys. Bye.